Hello. So here's a quick learning check. We're going to have phosphate and iron 4 meet. So you're going to tell me what type of chemical reaction it is and why, what the chemical formula is, and what's the chemical name. So go ahead and hit pause. And welcome back. So phosphate and iron 4. First, we have to know what each of these guys is. Phosphate. I don't find that on the periodic table. I find phosphorus, but I don't find phosphate. And that's because 8 is telling me that there's also some oxygen and it's a polyatomic molecule. So I have to go look on my polyatomic sheet. If you don't have that printed out or on a notebook, put a whole page with polyatomics so you have them for quick reference. Phosphate is 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygens with a -3 charge. Okay? And iron 4. Iron, I'm looking for IR, but I can't find it. Then I can remember it uses my Latin name ferrous. Okay? So it's Fe. But this has a number after. Do I just ignore the number? Nope, that number means positive charge. So it's iron plus 4. Make sure that you have it as a +4, there's not 4 irons. Okay? It means iron has a +4 charge because remember, these are transition elements, which means their charges change as they need it to. Okay, so whoever they're pairing with, they can change their charge to make them seem more hospitable to their partner. It is a positive and a negative. That is an ionic bond. Anytime you see positive and negatives. Chemical formula. Okay, what's the rule? Cations first. What are the cations? Those are positive. Anions are negative. Cations first. Which one's the cation? Oh, it's iron 4. So I write that first. Then I write my anion, PO4 -3. Polys get parentheses. Okay. So this 4 doesn't mean I already took care of the irons +4. Put the bubble around phosphate because now you are going to do your crisscross. Ionic bonds crisscross. Covalent bonds you read direct. So the 4 goes all the way to the outside of the parenthesis. Okay. So yes, you're going to have 4, 4, but PO44, that's a different thing. That doesn't count. Okay. So that 4 goes there, and then -3 goes over here for 3. Remember, these are the number of atoms. So they are the absolute value. No charges on there. Okay. But these guys have to have charges. They have to have a positive and a negative for an ionic bond. You can't just say Fe and put a 4 up here in the numerator or up in the top. You have to have this plus here. Okay. And now when I rewrite the chemical formula, I don't put the charges. So it's Fe3 parenthesis PO4 4. And that would be your chemical formula. What's your name? Cation first. Iron. What type of iron? Iron 4. And this is called phosphate. If you got it, then just write the answers in the learning check and tell me one thing that you learned about doing ionic bonds. And have a great day.